Welcome you all. Hope you all are doing well. Let's begin with chapter number 3 of class 4th GK, and name of the chapter is Features of Creatures, right? So जैसे कि हम लोग को पता है कि हमारे environment में बहुत सारे creatures हैं, right? जिनके अलग अलग features होते हैं, right? So in this chapter we all are going to study about those features of our different creatures. So let's begin with it. In each group, there is a bird or animal that does not fit into the list. तो हमारे पास एक ग्रुप दिया हुआ है एक बर्ड का और एनिमल्स का that does not fit into the list. तो एक ग्रुप दिया हुआ है जिसमें से एक इनमें से मैच नहीं करता है, एक जो है वो इनकी कैटेगरी में फिट नहीं होता है, राइट? सो फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट. तो हमें उस अलग वाले को, ऑड वाले को वहां से अलग करके लिखना है, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट ग्रुप sees that all these are the fishes, but this is not a fish. This is known as a seahorse, right? So seahorse is the odd one out from the first category. So seahorse is the answer. Next, we all can see that these animals consider other animals as their prey, right? But we can see that goat is the one which is not dependent on any other kind of animal for its prey. It only eats plants and the leaves of the plants, right? So goat is the odd one out from these category. Next, as we all can see that these are the birds, but one thing is there, that is a seahorse, which is not considered as a bird. So again in this category, seahorse is the odd one. Next, as we all can see that all these things are considered as the reptiles, right? But deer is the one which is not considered as a reptile at all, right? So in this category, deer is the correct answer, right? Let's move on to the next one. As we all can see that these are the things that can fly, right? But a grasshopper is the thing which can. So as you all can see that these are the categories of a butterfly only, right? But there is a difference that grasshopper is the odd one out from this category. So grasshopper is the correct answer. Next, as you all can see that all these animals belong to a monkey family, but the kangaroo is the different one. Hence, kangaroo is a different animal and not considered in any of the monkey family. That is why kangaroo is the correct answer for this statement. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned a lot from it. So thank you so much and have a good day.